Hey guys, welcome back to Rosh Nara's World. So guys, Tech Mahindra is hiring for 2021 batch pass outs. So let's discuss in details about the eligibility criteria, how to apply, and very important all rounds in details about everything we'll be discussing. So first of all, let's discuss about the eligibility criteria here. So basically, you will have an aptitude test, the round one, then psychometric test and the conversational test. Then you might have a technical round or HR round. 2 years of bond will be there, and the amount of that bond will be approximately 1 lakh. And in like the package of this particular profile is three till 3 months you will be in probation period, and up to 2.6 LPA CTC you will be provided, and later on which will be increased to 3.25 LPA. Okay, after the probation period. Now let's discuss each and every round one by one, and then we'll discuss how to apply basically and other important details before applying. So round one, you'll have the test which is we discussed as in reasoning, numeric, and English and writing skills will be happening, wherein like 29, 11, and 35 questions will be there respectively. And for the writing, it will be 10 to 15 minutes approximate. Then round two is a non-elimination round. Basically, it's a psychometric test. You must be knowing that what is a psychometric test. Basically, behavioral questions like there will be questions. You will be having an multiple choices where you have to select, like it will be somewhat likely, most likely, that type of. So it will judge your behavior, how is your thought process, etc. No webcam will be there in this particular round. Round three is an elimination round, very very important, because this is a you can say technical round. Basically, before assessment, the name of the round is 25 questions will be the MCQ technical questions. Basically, this is technical. Then one coding question will be there, you will get. So guys, after the round three, you'll have the round four, which is conversational test, which is conversational as in you will be judged on the basis of how you are conversing. How you're speaking that way. So this is basically an English test, like check. Okay, round five. Till now, the last batch which got selected, their HR round did not happen. So might be, it could be, it could not be. So conversational test also, there was a change. They email in the NAS, like after this test, that you will have a conversational test based on the business requirement. The last batch who gave these rounds. So this was all about the pattern of the Tech Mahindra. You can go through in details once. Now let's discuss about how to apply. You just need to click here. Now there are a few points which you need to take care of. Very important. You can go through it. That I mean 2020 and 2021 batch both can apply without any backlog. 60%, without rounding off. Make sure that it is not like 59.8 and you're rounding off to 60. No, they won't take, and at the time of documentation they might reject. So make sure, and no more than like 1 year gap between any two academic program, and also no active backlog. Then again, at the time of documentation you will be rejected. And if you have already applied in Tech Mahindra in the past 6 months, then there has, after 6 months only you can reappear. So these are the main points I wanted to clarify. These are the eligible branches you can apply. Okay, the degree, you can go through it once. I think these are very much clear. You need not to pay for any particular, this job, it is free of cost. Okay, and yes, if your profile is shortlisted, then you will be invited for the next evaluation. Okay, and yeah, you can just check out. I think most, important points I have cleared it. And yeah, you just need to click here, and you need to fill in the entire application form as per your documents. Okay, make sure you apply as per your documents. This is the basic form, like personal detail, qualification, and yeah, qualification itself. So you have to register. Make sure you register as soon as possible, because this links get expires too soon. So yeah, make sure you apply ASAP. And yeah, do share with your friends. Let me know if you have any doubt or query, and you can check out the interview experiences also from the past batches. You will get an idea. Okay, I'll give the link in the description box. You can just go and check out what all things are important before applying. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Till then, guys, have a great day. Be safe. Bye.